Dain Shampoo Bowl Gel Rest. Designed to provide extra comfort at the shampoo bowl, the gripper gel rest is exactly what your clients need. The gripper's unique design allows it to fit to any shampoo bowl with suction cups to hold the gel rest in place. Shampoo Bowl Hair Sink with CUPC Vacuum Breaker 4. Would be 5 stars, but I had to buy some of the pieces to install into a regular bathroom, and you definitely need someone who knows about plumbing to help you set this up. Besides that, everything came as shown and my customers love it. Salon Shampoo Bowl Unit Neck Gel Rest SA01. Designed to securely hold the neck rest in place to reduce neck fatigue and increasing comfort. Dimensions: 7.75 W x 5.5 L. All dimensions listed are approximations. Shampoo Bowl Faucet H202. H202 Shampoo Bowl Faucet. LCL Beauty Heavy Duty White Ceramic Professional Shampoo Bowl. This high-quality ceramic commercial-grade bowl is coated in a white enamel finish to provide style and easy cleanup. The high-gloss finish makes this bowl extremely functional and visually appealing. Durable ceramic bowl, stylish high-gloss white enamel finish, standard American size hardware including spray hose, faucet handle, drain and hair trap, strainer, hanging bracket for easy wall installation. Dimensions: 19x20x1014 Vacuum Breaker, triple certified vacuum breaker. Sprayer head 011 for shampoo bowl, sink replacement part. Shampoo sprayer. Shampoo bowl white ABS plastic, salon and spa hair. This is a high-quality professional shampoo bowl. It is made from high-impact ABS plastic with a high-gloss finish, making each bowl functional, visually appealing, and providing long-lasting durability and service. This unit comes with hot and cold faucet, vacuum breaker, spray hose, built-in receiver plate, steel rolled wall mounting bracket, waterproof comfort gel neck rest. Includes easy clean hair trap, a professional grade hair trap helping to protect against loss of jewelry, contact lenses, or other valuables that can be accidentally washed down the drain. Dimensions: 19 wide, 19.25 front to back, 10.75 deep. This bowl uses USA standard hardware and is compliant with the Uniform Plumbing Code. It comes with a 1-year E-Mark beauty warranty. Return policy will be executed under the following terms. Returns are accepted under the stipulation it is within 30 days from delivery date, verified by package tracking number. Buyer is responsible for return shipping cost in order to guarantee a full refund.